Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to receive alerts for overspending on Cleo. Now, Cleo keeps you in check by warning you when you're close to or you've already exceeded your budget. Now, here's how to enable overspending alerts. First thing you got to do is to tap the settings icon in the app. So it goes without saying, open up Cleo app, and once you're in the app, tap the settings gear that's in the settings gear icon that's in the app, and then you're going to go to the notifications or alert section, and there you're going to turn on overspending warnings and category limit alerts. Once you've done that, you can also set custom thresholds, like alert me at 80% of my food budget, or alert me if I spend more than $20 per day. Whatever, you can go ahead and set the custom thresholds for the alerts. Now, the chart shortcuts commands you can use is you can use warn me if I overspend, or you could use set daily spending alerts to $50, or you could also use alert me if I go over my limits. Now, where alerts appear, you have push notifications if enabled. You also have chat messages from Cleo, as well as email summaries, but of course this is optional. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.